Welcome to Notes About Notes, a podcast exploring perfume's practical, social, political, cultural, and commercial walks of life. We look at what these mean for you and other perfume lovers. Today's blog post is titled, "Can I make aroma beads with perfume?" Here's how. What are aroma beads? Aroma beads are essentially PEVA plastic pellets mixed with a fragrance oil or essential oil. Aroma beads are oil sorbent, meaning they absorb fragrance oils for long-term release. Aroma beads are also colorless, so can also be mixed with a coloring agent for decoration. Why do people use aroma beads? People use aroma beads as solid air fresheners. Because the PEVA pellets have absorbed the fragrance oils, there are no aerosol fumes or chemical residues that may damage your surfaces. The scent release is also more slow-releasing, not unlike eating a bowl of porridge compared to cereal. The intensity of the scent can be controlled by simply adding or removing more beads. Where can I use aroma beads? Aroma beads can decorate a space when put in jars, dotted around the house, or melted and molded into shapes as a fun group activity. They can be deodorized bags, shoes, closets, laundry, drawers, bins, pet areas, and vehicles. Aroma oils can also be gifted to friends and loved ones, or used as cheap but thoughtful party favors at weddings and events. Can perfume be used in aroma beads? Yes, it can, with some minor trade-offs. PEVA is oil sorbent, but resistant to ethanol and water absorption. This means the aroma beads will only absorb the scented oil component of your perfume, making both alcohol and water-based perfumes suitable for use. Aroma beads. DIY aroma bead recipe using perfume. Ingredients: times 1 cup of aroma beads, PEVA beads. Times 1 ounce of alcohol-based perfume. Times airtight glass or HDPE container. Times optional, liquid dye for coloring the beads. Instructions: 1. Prepare the beads. Measure 1 cup of aroma beads and place them in an airtight container. 2. Add the perfume. Pour 1 ounce of your chosen alcohol-based perfume over the beads. Make sure the perfume is evenly distributed over the beads. 3. Add dye, optional. If you want colored aroma beads, add a few drops of liquid dye to the mixture. Stir the beads gently to ensure even coloring. 4. Seal and shake. Seal the container tightly and shake it well to mix the perfume and dye, if added, thoroughly with the beads. 5. Infusion period. Let the beads sit in the sealed container for 1 to 2 weeks. Shake the container every few days to ensure even absorption of the perfume by the beads. 6. Check absorption. After the 1st of February weeks, check the beads to ensure they have fully absorbed the perfume. Pour away the alcohol, or into a container for use with additional beads. After drying, the beads should be dry to the touch and not sticky. 7. Use or package. Once the beads are ready, you can use them in sachets, jars, or decorative bowls to freshen up your space. Alternatively, package them in small fabric bags for gifts or personal use. What if my aroma beads are too strong or too weak? Simply add more aroma beads if your scent is too strong, or add more perfume if your scent is too weak. Trade-offs when using perfumes instead of fragrance oil in aroma beads. While alcohol degrades some plastics, the PEVA in aroma beads is resistant. However, they may present minor degradation to the surface, though can still be reused with long-term exposure. Using an alcohol-based perfume instead of a pure, scented oil may also mean less scented oil per volume than a pure scented oil. This may mean a weaker scent, though this can be mitigated by using more beads in a given space. The alcohol content in most perfumes may encourage faster scent release than a scented oil. The alcohol content of your perfume also means you cannot melt your beads into shapes. This is a fire hazard. Perfume ideas for aroma beads. Aroma beads can help you stay scented with your favorite signature scents and home blends if you have an allergy or sensitive skin. Aroma beads are also a great way to use up and regift leftover and unwanted perfumes and oils, one at a time, or all mixed together, such as your least favorite scents from a discovery set. Styling ideas for aroma beads. Consider creating aroma beads with a unique scent for each area you plan to scent. This can set the mood and atmosphere for that space and keep your day focused and interesting. You can also mix different batches of beads, each made with a unique scent, for a more complex aroma. You can do the same with the colors you add to your beads. Either color coding each scent you use or using the same scent across all your colored beads. Mix these together for a patterned or rainbow potpourri, or dot them around your home for a kaleidoscopic effect. Conclusion. Creating aroma beads with perfume allows you to infuse your living space and belongings with captivating scents for comfort and joy. With a few simple ingredients and a dash of creativity, you can craft beautiful and fragrant aroma beads for a range of use cases. That's it for today. You can support this podcast by subscribing or leaving a 5-star review. You can support our perfumery at celie&couch.co.uk. That's CELIE&couch.co.uk. Warm wishes, wherever and whenever you're listening.